darling, how's work? You want me to decorate for Christmas? Sounds good. Hey boos! So today we're striking the house from Halloween and we're decorating for Christmas. I actually already started decorating for Christmas and then I realized everyone loves to see decorating vlogs. So I paused what I was doing and I realized that there's a few things I need to pick up from the store, so you guys are going to come with me. But before we get into that, I am going to show you guys what I already did with the house and this room. I do want to let you guys know we are having a relaunch of my Beautiful Mess fragrance. This fragrance smells like cream, sugar plum, pistachio, macaroons. This perfume smells so good. Also, this year I am having a hashtag fancy gathering, and if you guys are interested in being invited to the fancy gathering, hashtag fancy gathering on all my social media platforms, and head over to my Amazon Live, which I'm linking down below, and hit follow. If you have an Amazon account, that's all you need to hit follow. So without further ado, let's check out the decorations I've done so far. So for my office, because it's super pink in there, I decided to go with this white to blush pink ombre Christmas tree that's available on Amazon, and I use a rose garland instead of actual Christmas garland, and I tied bows with blush pink velvet ribbon where ornaments would go, and everything that I'm showing right now is linked in my Amazon Live. For the bedroom, I decided to go for traditional Victorian Christmas with pops of blush pink and of course the traditional colors red and green. This is the Christmas tree that I got on eBay. It's a display Christmas tree from the actual Victoria's Secret. I don't know what year though. I also decided to tie the combination of velvet burgundy and velvet blush ribbons in bows on either side of the garland, almost to mimic a Victorian dress. I didn't decorate the dining room yet because we're actually currently filming a renovation video for the holidays for this channel. I pulled out my pink feather tree for the girly lounge, and I put one really big pink ornament on it just to look cute and spunky, and then I added the rest to the chandelier. And of course, I put Beautiful Mess on display since she's a very beautiful bottle and goes perfectly with my pink Christmas decorations. This is another Victoria's Secret display item. I also got my new mirror in the mail, so I hung it up on our newly wainscoted walls. And this mirror is from West Mirrors. If you guys are interested in getting this mirror yourself or anything similar to it, you can use my code Gabi10 for 10% off your mirror. It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in Versailles when I'm in my living room now. And I got out our frosted Christmas tree, and instead of trying to squeeze ornaments onto the very thick bristles, I decided I'm going to use some garland to decorate the tree, but I have to get more at Hobby Lobby. And speaking of which, I want to get decorations for this little corner when I'm in Hobby Lobby as well, but I decided to move my little like statue head into the center of the table just so you could get an idea of what type of style I'm going for in this corner of the room. And I just want to shout out the YouTube channel Victoria Rachel. Pet stores are very misleading with the options they provide for a hamster's habitat. It's actually not okay, and Victoria Rachel corrected the lifestyle of my hamsters and now they are literally thriving. It's only 4 o'clock and it's starting to get dark out, which is weird. Hi, honey. Say hello, you're famous. Bear. He's so affectionate, and he's a Gemini, by the way. Bear's a Gemini. You want to tell everyone you're a Gemini? Want to tell everyone? Want to tell everyone? He's really shy, guys. You're a Gemini. I'm sorry, I'll put the camera away. What on earth? Guys, I had to pull out the vlog camera. He's sitting on his butt. What was that? What was that? Oh, he's shy. He's shy. Okay, guys, so I made it to Hobby Lobby. Oh, this is cute. This is literally adorable. What? No, 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 no. No. See, that would have been so cute, but I can't justify $80 for that. Look how cute these little espresso shot glasses are. I also feel like these would make awesome shot glasses for the holidays, so. I'm getting all the Joy pink shot glasses. Oh my gosh. Not the Nutcracker plates. I'm getting 4 of these. This was made for me. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. So these match our new mirror downstairs, so I'm gonna get 2 of these, I think, for like the corner eating area. Hey Booze, so I'm back from Hobby Lobby and I'm in my pajamas for now, even though I'm going out with Kenny later. So I just hung up the garland that was on the tree earlier. It looks way better on the fireplace. And then I also got this bride decoration and then this groom decoration, and I'm gonna hang these above the fireplace, and then we're gonna decorate with everything I got. Booze, look at how the Land of Sweets came about. It looks so good. I love it so much. It's so girly in here. So cute. It reminds me of my first apartment ever on this channel. We're watching Hallmark Christmas movies and we're getting ready to go out. I love it. Kenny looks so good. So we're gonna close this vlog with a shot out of the little Joy glasses that I got at Hobby Lobby. They're like pink and they say Joy. We're getting ready to go out. Obviously, I'm not gonna wear this out. This is how we're closing the vlog, the decorating vlog, with our little Joy mugs. Did you have more than me? Well, that's it for this fancy vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed me decorating. Stay tuned for the next vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.